Hello everyone, welcome back to Irvin J Escapades. On August 11th through the 13th, we went to the wonderful city of
Chicago.
And as you can see, we were not alone. We had some friend join us. This trip was amazing. It's the first time I traveled with these people and we had a great time.
Here in Chicago for the first time. Yeah. Not for him, but for me.
After doing the check-in in our hotel, we went for lunch. We enjoyed it. Great food in Chicago. After that, we went sightseeing. So here's the river, as you can see. Gorgeous view of the river in downtown Chicago. And obviously we had to stop, take some pictures, and take it all in. I was very impressed. It was my first time in Chicago. Jay has been there before.
Hello, we're in the water tower.
We also went to the water tower place. This is a shopping plaza right next to the water tower. The water tower actually is the only building that survived the Chicago fire. There's a Lego store there, among other things, among other prestige brands as well. But I was really impressed by the exhibition, the layout, the display actually of the Lego store. It's a beautiful display of the city. We didn't stay for long at the mall because we already had tickets for the John Hancock 360. This is an observation deck on the 94th floor. Beautiful views all around the city's 360 view, but we also had tickets for the tilt. The tilt is we were not allowed to record here, but it's just you just lined up there against the window and the window just tilt towards the front and you can see the whole city down. Unfortunately, we were not able to record that. We were not allowed, but here are some views of the city at the 360 and in Chicago, John Hancock building.
Do you like the tilt?
Oh yes, it was great. It was scary a little bit.
How you felt?
But it was good. I'm glad.
You were nervous?
A little bit. I closed my eyes for a little bit, and then I applied.
So after spending the afternoon enjoying the views from the Hancock building, we decided to go back to our room because we needed to prepare for dinner and party. So we went to Boystown area where the marketplace is taking place. We needed to have some drinks and dance for a little bit, have a great time. Here is our friend, Ed. He's pretending to be Adele. Oh, he has the exactly same voice as her.
Jason, where are we?
We are in Chicago, in Millennium Park,
Millennium Park.
where the beans is here, and there's a fountain, and there's trees and grass.
Nice. That's Mauricio and Wes.
And who are you? Handsome.
Now it's time to take the train and head to Market Day.
Some bitches out. Here we go. Let's go head to skin. Your hand has to touch somebody's skin. Wow, this is romantic, okay? You can only find this romance at Steamworks, by the way, okay? Period.
The next day, we did a boat tour. If you ever visit Chicago, this is a must. The information that is provided in these tours is amazing, and the views are breathtaking. Just enjoy the pictures, enjoy the video. This is a must do if you visit Chicago. And this is the last night of Market Days, where Crystal Waters closed the event. It was a great way to close the event. I love her music. She's so talented. The energy, the music, everything was pitch perfect. So I know this video was so short, but here's a highlight of everything that went on.
No controlo mi cuerpo cuando se mueve. beat. Un sweet escape, baby, vamos lento. Baby, vamos lento. Enamorarnos luego. Enamorarnos luego. Baby, vamos lento. Lento, baby, lento. Lento que es un juego. Un sweet escape. Un sweet escape. Eres mi sweet escape. Contigo, mi sweet escape. Mi sweet escape. No controlo mi cuerpo cuando se mueve en el beat. No puedo respirar cuando estás cerca de mí. Baby, eres un 10, pero vamos lento. Lento que no entrego mi corazón de hielo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Irvin J Escapades. Till next time.